Have you ever painted a masterpiece only for it to fall flat? There's a simple solution to bring your artwork to life, and that's through a vibrant underpainting. Throughout history, Native American women have played pivotal roles in their communities. They have been leaders, healers, warriors, and caretakers. This painting captures the essence of one such woman, embodying both her strength and her spirit. As we watch the time-lapse, we can imagine the story she carries with her, the traditions she cherishes, and the legacy she will leave behind. An underpainting is a layer of paint applied before the final layer. It establishes the values, shadows, colors of your artwork. I love a vibrant colored underpainting. It can bring depth and life to your piece. Choose colors that complement each other and will work well with your final color scheme. You can use a single color or multiple colors. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Vickie. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell to never miss an upcoming video. Let's create something special. Applying the underpainting doesn't have to be perfect. It's a foundation of the artwork, and it can be covered up in the final layers. Use a brush, sponge to apply the paint in a thin layer, keeping in mind the overall composition. Let me ask, do you start with an underpainting? Share in the comments if you like the extra step. Once the underpainting is dry, you can begin the final layer. The vibrant colors will still peek through, creating an added dimension to your artwork. So don't let your artwork fall flat. Add a layer of vibrancy with the vibrant underpainting. Try it in your next piece and see the difference it will make. Thanks for watching.